Hello students, good morning. In last class we started the chapter fibers to fabric. Today we will discuss about the rearing and breeding of sheep. Okay, as in last class also I told, sheep is the major source, or it is the chief source for wool. Okay, in the majorly the persons are getting the wool from the sheep. Okay, so now we will discuss about the good variety of sheep and their presence, means where they are found in the state, in the India or in the other countries, and we will also talk about their nutrition. Okay, so let us start. So if you want to, or if the person who are rearing the sheep want to get the more amount of the wool, so definitely they have to rear the good breed of sheep. Okay, so good breed means the sheep which are having the thick coat of fleece on their body. For example, if you want to do the any business, then you will have the things in your mind that you should get the more benefit. So like that persons also who are rearing to the sheep, they also wants the more benefit. Understood? That's why they are rearing the good breed of sheep. Okay, and good breed means the sheep should have the thick coat of fleece on their body. Yesterday I told about the fleece. What is the fleece? Yesterday I discussed about this. So fleece is the hair on the skin of animals. Okay, that is the fleece. So let us talk about their presence, where they are found. Okay, so if you have traveled in the state of Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, etc., then you must have noticed the some shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. Means you must have seen the that kind of the some group of the sheep. Okay, because these are the area where the sheep are domesticated. Okay, so if they are grazing, it means that sheep are the herbivores animal. Okay, so if anyone will ask about the nutrition of the sheep, it means that sheep are the herbivores animal. Okay, understood. And then next about their nutrition, so definitely if they are the herbivores, then they will eat the grasses. Okay, fodder, leaves, pulses, jowar, corn, oil cakes, etc. And different variety of sheep are reared in the different areas, because at the different kind of area, same kind of sheep cannot be reared. Okay, means they are not adopted, all same kind of sheep are not adopted for the everywhere. Okay, like some can adopt only in the cooler region, some can adopt in the hotter region. Understood? So different breed of sheep are reared in the different part of the country, and the quality of wool obtained from them is also depend on the different sheep. Okay, in the next table we will discuss about the a different kind of sheep and where they are reared. Okay, so let us start. As it is given here, Bakharwal, name of the breed is the Bakharwal. It is reared in the Jammu and Kashmir, and quality of wool is the fine quality for woolen shawl. Okay, it is used for making the woolen shawls. And then second point is given Rampur Busair. Okay, it is the reared in Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. It is also brown wool for woolen blankets. Third is given the Nali, it is the Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana used for making carpets. Fourth one is the Lohi. It is reared in the Rajasthan and Punjab and good quality. Quality of wool is the good quality for making the woolen fabrics. Fifth one is the Marwadi. It is reared in the Gujarat and Chorus wool. It is used for making the blankets. Okay, and sixth one is the Pathanwadi. It is also reared in the Gujarat and it is also a good quality of wool and it is used for making the hosiery. So all these kind of breeds are given there and the state where they are reared. Okay, so this is a very important table according to the exam point of view, because objective question may be come from here that this kind of breed is present in which state, like this main example will be given there and you have to select. Okay, so that's why you should learn this table very carefully. Okay, and next I want to discuss about the processing of fleece into the woolen fiber. So we are rearing, the person are rearing the sheep to get the good amount of fleece. Okay, so fleece should be processed for getting the wool. So there are the different process are used to get the wool from the fleece. First process in the getting the wool is the shearing of fleece. Okay, first one is the shearing of fleece. So shearing is the process of removing fleece from the body of sheep is called shearing. Okay, the fleece of the sheep along with the very thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process of removing fleece from the body of sheep is called shearing. So it is the first step to get the wool, means first the fleece have to remove from the body of the sheep. Okay, next step is the wool manufacturing. Okay, so this heading we will discuss on the next day, but today we will discuss about the how the shearing is done. So definitely shearing cannot be accomplished with the hand, so definitely the machines are used to remove the fleece from the body of sheep. Okay, and there is a very particular season in which the shearing is done. It is done in the warm weather. And now question arises, why the shearing is done only in the warm weather. This is because in the warm weather the sheep can survive without any protection, because if any person will uh, shearing the fleece from the body of sheep in the winter season, then they cannot survive, because they will feel the more cold in that particular case, because the sheep are reared in the colder area also. So if they will not have the protective any coat, then they cannot survive. So that's why this shearing process done only in the warm weather or in the summer season. Okay, and it is done twice in a year. Okay, and this shearing does not hurt the sheep, much the same way as you do not get hurt when hair from your head are shaved off. It is because the uppermost part of skin holding the hair is dead. Okay, and next one is, as it is given here, did you know, you can see the average weight of fleece shown of a better wool producing sheep is 4.5 kg per year. From a one sheep it is an average 4.5 kg of fleece is sheared. Okay, next, the fineness and the structure of the wool is depend on the different variety of the sheep. Okay, and in the last class also I told about the good quality of the wool, and good quality of wool we are getting from the sheep, and that sheep is the merino sheep. Okay, so sheep is famous for producing the finest variety of wool. Okay, in next class we will start the wool manufacturing and different step of it. Okay, till stay home, stay safe. Thank you.